How to log in to UKG employee account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch any of your preferred web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. At the top search bar, type in UKG employee login. And you will see sign on login UKG at the first search result. And also be noted, this process of logging in is same for your mobile device as well as your PC. Once you tap onto the first search result, you will get landed onto a page like this. In here, tap on UKG employee login. Then at this page, you have to type in your username. There is also an example shown for you, so make sure that you follow this. And lastly, type in your password. Ensure that you are entering all your username and your password correctly. Once you do all that, tap on to sign on. If your credentials are correct, you will get landed onto your UKG employee account. In case you would like to change your password or if you are having trouble signing on, you can also go through these links and get help resetting your account. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.